McGregor hit with $6.5 million lawsuit from former friend over whiskey dispute. The relationship between Conor McGregor and Artem Lobov, which began as a close alliance in the world of MMA and was cemented during their time on The Ultimate Fighter 22, has evolved into a lengthy and public legal dispute. At the heart of the conflict is the intellectual property and financial stake in the Proper No. 12 whiskey brand, whose 2021 sale triggered a $6.5 million lawsuit filed by Lobov. As the case moves forward in the Irish judicial system, both men have exchanged public accusations, with McGregor maintaining a hostile stance on social media. The trial is scheduled for December 2025, and its outcome could have broader implications for brand ownership tied to sports figures. From brothers-in-arms to rivals. In 2015, Conor McGregor was appointed head coach of Team McGregor in Season 22 of The Ultimate Fighter, opposite Urijah Faber. Among the fighters selected was Artem Lobov, McGregor's training partner at SBG Ireland in Dublin. After losing in the qualifying round, Lobov was brought back by McGregor and capitalized on the second chance, winning 3 straight fights, including a knockout of Chris Gruetzemacher in the quarterfinals. That bout took place on August 18, 2015, though it aired on November 25. Following the knockout, the Notorious jumped the cage to celebrate with Lobov. Lobov advanced to the tournament final but lost by unanimous decision to Ryan Hall at UFC 197's preliminary card in December 2015. At the time, McGregor described Lobov as more than a teammate, calling him a brother. In April 2018, Lobov was assaulted by members of Khabib Nurmagomedov's team in Brooklyn, New York, after defending McGregor in a heated exchange. Just 4 days before UFC 223, McGregor led the infamous attack on Nurmagomedov's team bus, hurling objects such as dollies that resulted in his arrest and left several fighters injured. The Proper No. 12 dispute. Proper No. 12, an Irish whiskey brand launched by McGregor in 2018, lies at the core of the legal clash. Reports indicate that Lobov was involved in the brand's early development, helping identify distilleries and steering McGregor away from pursuing vodka. In 2021, Proper No. 12 was sold to Proximo Spirits for $600 million. McGregor is believed to have received roughly $130 million from the sale. Lobov subsequently filed a claim in Ireland's High Court, demanding 5% of the sale value, around $6.5 million. The Russian Hammer argued that he was a co-creator of the brand and that he had turned down an initial $1 million offer for his contributions, relying instead on a future payout. His case is based on an alleged verbal agreement, described as a gentleman's pact. McGregor, inactive in competition since 2021, denied that Lobov played any decisive role in the brand's success. On social media, he has posted, and later deleted, critical remarks targeting his former friend. In December 2023, Lobov released phone recordings in which McGregor allegedly promised him a share of ownership. McGregor countered with a defamation lawsuit, ultimately securing damages against Lobov. The central trial over Proper No. 12 is set for December 2025. Until then, McGregor and Lobov remain locked in a bitter public standoff.